In this video, we will be covering how to make a booking as a customer and manage your booking tickets and booking cancellation and all that. So let's start. First, log in as customer. Once you log in as customer, you can browse an event, and suppose you wish to book this event ticket, then select any event. Let's say you want to book regular fitness classes event, so scroll down to the event ticket section. You can select a ticket. This is a repetitive event schedule, that's why you are seeing the schedule like this, and this is on sale. So once you select this, you can attend all these dates event. If we go to non-repetitive event like this one, then it looks like this. It has only one date. You can select on it and make a booking. So let's start. As we click on get tickets, you can select a number of tickets you want to purchase. Like if you want to purchase free ticket, then you can do that. If you want to purchase this paid ticket, then you can select the quantity you want to purchase. Let's select early bird quantity 2. Suppose you and your friend are going to attend this event, so you need to enter your name, your phone number, your address, and your friend's name, friend's phone number and address. And let's say you also want one of your friend also want to attend this, want to purchase this VIP ticket, then you can also add the third person name as well. And select the payment gateway you want to make payment from. And click checkout. Once you click checkout and once the booking is successful, after successful payment, you will be redirected to this my bookings page. You will also receive booking emails into your registered email address, and these are the 2 tickets that you have purchased. You can see the details of these tickets. This is the check-in button. Like you can show this QR code at the time of event entrance so that your ticket can be scanned and you can check in on the event. And you can download the ticket as well, like this. This is the ticket, and this ticket has got the attendee details as well. And you can also download the ticket invoice like this. So, and suppose you want to cancel this event ticket, like maybe your friend decided not to go there, so you want to cancel this. So you can simply click cancel. You can click on sure, and once you click on that, this cancellation request will be forwarded to the organizer and the admin, and any of them can approve your cancellation request and refund your money. So let's say let's say admin has received the refund request here on the bookings. See this pending. So admin can approve this cancellation request or reject it by simply clicking on edit. He can make the cancellation pending status to refunded, and he can turn off this booking status so that this booking can be completely disabled, and the admin can refund the customer's money via their payment gateway page or via manually or any external medium. Once he clicks save, the refund request is successful and admin has also disabled the ticket, and then the customer can see the cancellation status to disable, and he can also not able to download the tickets or invoice or anything. So this booking has been completely disabled and refunded. The organizer can also manage the refund request from manage bookings page. Suppose the organizer want to disable this booking, so he can click on edit. He can manage the booking cancellation status here, like that, and the booking cancellation request will be completed. We hope you found this video informative. In the next video we will be covering how to scan a ticket and check in the attendee on the event. Thank you, stay tuned.